In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a channel in ClickUp. So if you had created a channel but you like to go ahead and delete it, you can simply do this by following these simple instructions. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your ClickUp account. And once you are on account, go to channels here and click or select the channel you would like to delete. To delete a channel permanently, head over to the settings gear and then scroll down until you see this option, delete channel. If you click on this, now the channel will be deleted, and you have to note that the channel and any message inside this channel will be deleted. So go ahead and click on delete, and that will delete the channel permanently. So that's how you can delete a channel in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.